Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Demon Slayer game. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Demon Slayer and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on the OK button. You can also uninstall Demon Slayer game by opening your Play Store. And then in the search bar, type in Demon Slayer game and perform your search. Tap on the Kimetsu Fight Demon Slayer application. Now to uninstall, tap on the Uninstall button. If you are sure, tap on the Uninstall once again. And this is how you can uninstall Demon Slayer game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.